square they said. Now we have to prove what is this function. Let us assume x1 and x2 belongs to R, which is a domain. So what I need to do, I consider suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It's a basic class 11 formula, 12 in the CBSE you'll be writing. So you'll get the something like this. So sum of two numbers or difference of two numbers is equal to 0. In the real number it is possible, like x1 can be equal to x2 or plus or minus in this. So it's not 1 1, as you know this is belonging to the real number. It's not 1 1. So subjective, no, it's not 1 1, not 1 1 is there, but the first option can be cancelled. Second option we will see. For this y equal to x square, I'll take x is equal to root y. Y is belonging to R, I assume. That means if you take a negative number, you will never get a real number of x. So it's not at all surjective also. It's not bijective, so none of this. Now, let me go to the next question. Let me change the color. It is not looking good. We'll make some more indigo. We'll make color like dark blue is okay. With 1 mm thickness, 1 mm thickness is okay. Okay, so entire graph of this equation is lying above the x-axis. What does that mean? There is an x-axis, the graph is lying above. So this is a quadratic, you know this one, and it is lying above. That means your so-called quadratic expression is lying above me, doesn't have roots. When it doesn't have roots, when b square minus 4ac will be less than 0. That means you will have k minus 1 whole square minus 4 9s 36 is less than 0. So you can write k minus 1 whole square minus 6 square is less than 0. So this means you can use the identity. You'll get k minus 5 and for adding, minus 1 plus 6 minus 1 minus, and this is 7. So you can have less than inequality, means it does lie between. So it does lie between. So I'm sorry, here it is plus 5. Plus 6 minus 1 is plus 5. It's lying between minus 5 and 7. So that's your option. I'll take another one. So the current slide, sorry to say, current slide. Okay, my god, all numbers, tags, pages. Where is the next page? I'm sorry to say, this is the next page. Okay. Yeah. Now we have another one. F of x by y is equal to f of x minus f of y, and this is f of e is equal to 1. Now what is this function? You have to know. Now anywhere we have a division converted into subtraction, I suppose f of x is log x. You can say f of x upon y, that is log of x upon y, is log x minus log y. I hope you got this one, f of x minus f of y. And a log e, that means x is equal to e, log e is 1. So you have 1 here, so answer is this. Now go to the 12th one, the 4th one in this slide, in this questions which we are talking. Here the function, your x is greater than or equal to 1, and also the y value is greater than or equal to 1. That means the second one. So f of x means this one, I'm supposing 2 power x into x minus 1 should be greater than or equal to. I suppose it is equal to y. Suppose it is equal to y, that means f of x equal to y. So when I put this as a side, that means x into x minus 1 is equal to log y to the base 2. This is very simple. Y is greater than or equal to 1 is said. So y is equal to not equal to 1. Let me take x square minus x, okay, multiplied, minus log y to the base 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so what are the answer we're going to get? We'll take the discriminant here, minus b plus or minus 4, this b is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is 1 minus 1 plus 4 times of log y to the base 2. So here when I go for minus b plus or minus, so b square minus 4ac, you have x is equal to 1 plus or minus root over 1 plus 4 log y to the base 2 upon 2a, that is 2. You know the x value should be greater than 1, so 1 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, यानी कि plus 1 plus, this is your answer. Okay, so I have one more paper, if you can see there. Yeah, it's a very good question. I'll just go with this. Now f of x is equal to cos of log x. Now f of x is equal to cos of log x. What is saying? This is f of x into f of y, that is cos of log x into cos of log y minus half times cos of log x by y, okay, plus angle है ये, okay, plus cos of log I have xy. Now you know x by y and xy how to write. I assume this log x, let us assume this log x is equal to a and the log y is equal to b. It's something look like cos a cos b, okay, minus half times log a by b is log a minus log b. We done this formula right in the previous slide, also we did it, log x minus log y something, okay. So that means it is cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. You know xy is x plus y. Cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b, if you add these two, we'll get a nice formula, 2 cos a cos b. So cos a cos b minus half times, you'll get 2 cos a cos b. So when you get 2 cos a cos b, this 2 gets cancelled and get the answer 0, where it's not there. Okay, so none of this. So domain of this function, domain is very simple to find. In the square root, you should know that x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That means x value is greater than or equal to minus 2. And here, this 1 minus x should be greater than 0 compulsory, and 1 minus x cannot be 0. That means x cannot be 1 or x, that is there of course, so x cannot be 1, it's greater than 0, and x can't be 0 also because log 1 is undefined. So what does it mean? X greater than or equal to minus 2, when you multiply with minus, x minus 1 is less than 0, x is less than 1. So it can be from minus 2 close to 1, but it should not contain 0.